No, Leslie.
Hi, man.
I ditched the gun, right?
You ditched it?
Yes.
Where'd you put it?
That bridge in the water.
Echo 944.
I got it.
You got it? Where'd you put it at?
In the water.
It's in the water?
You're saying that zero's in the water? What water?
There's a bridge over there.
Jason, where you copy that?
Hey, buddy, what's your name? Hey,
Skylar Thomas.
hey, Skylar. Hold on one second. He's secured, right?
Yep.
Okay. Hey, I'm gonna read you something. Can you hear me? Okay.
Flag 2 Charlie 224.
About my rights, I already know.
Okay, I'm gonna read them anyways. You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say may be used as evidence against you. If you're talking to an attorney and have him or her with you now anytime during questioning, you cannot afford an attorney won't be appointed to represent you. Anytime we stop talking and have an attorney present, all questions will be stopped to your request. You understand those rights? Turn knees to your chest.
Your knees to your chest?
All right. Did you hear what I had to say, or do you want me to read it again? Here, we'll go over here in the shade, bud.
I haven't fully searched it.
The gun's at that bridge. There's a small bridge over there by Olive Garden. I threw it in the water. It's not real.
He's got some stuff on right there on the ground. Still got money in his back pocket. He's still got money and stuff in his back pockets. Yeah.
Hey, let me find.
Back left, or back right pocket, sorry.
All right, man. Have a seat. All right.
The traffic came from
Double locks.
Yeah.
They just standard cuffs.
They're just regular stuff.
That's why I had a name over.
Or well, they got my name on it.
Down there, so we have some shots of my bridge.